So today we're here as PlasticMove, and I'm going to talk about who we are and what we do. Our problem is the damage that plastics cause to nature, and there are three branches of this problem. First one is companies that create plastic pollution need a sustainable solution because regulations and laws are spreading rapidly around the world. In addition, the consumer expects the producer to be environmentally friendly. By ensuring these companies comply with regulations, we also solve this problem with a truly eco-friendly product. 5 billion breads go to waste per year just in Turkey, and we contribute to the circular economy by recycling the worthless wastes with advanced recycling techniques. We can produce 1.2 tons of bioplastics from 1 ton of bread. And the raw material we produce is used as disposable plastics, rigid or flexible packaging, films used in agriculture and industry, 3D filaments, and in many more areas seen here. And in this page, you can see the plate and granule we produce from waste bread. We prevent, about our benefit to the environment, we prevent at least 6 tons of carbon emission with every 1 ton of bioplastic we produce. In addition, we are at least 65% more efficient than petroleum-based plastics with our production method. And our customers are carpet companies and plastic manufacturers. And why us? Because we save time and money by eliminating the farming process that traditional bioplastic producers use, which means consuming water, energy, money, in addition to vast amount of carbon emission. As we only use waste, we are not affected by price fluctuations, and we provide supply security that way. We ensure that our customers are prepared for the carbon tax in the European Green Deal and comply with the regulations. About our country, Turkey is one of the largest importers of polypropylene, and import dependency increased to 97% in 2015. What we want to do about this is to decrease the amount of PP imports and provide our customers significant cost reduction in their logistics. Our plastics market size is $35 billion for now, and by 2030, this market is projected to grow by 35%, and that's why we see a future in this field. We started our project in January 2019. During the year, we took part in startup programs such as TÜSİAD and Work Up, which is still ongoing, and we launched our first prototype. Our goals for the next 1 year are to complete our ongoing tests, to establish our pilot facility, and to make our first sale. PlasticMove raw material can be mixed with PLA up to 10% and with PP up to 20% for now. And what we want to do is to increase this rate. We also want to produce bioplastics from different starch-based wastes in the future. And while doing all of these, we want to ensure that our products cost lower than petroleum-based plastics. About our competitors, we have a competitor in global, but in Turkey, although they're bioplastic producing enterprises, there aren't any which uses bread. And about our targets, we want to become more than a bioplastic producer. We want to create a brand identity whom its consumers trust. And the main target of us here is to become leader in the sector who defines environmentalism of brands with our logos on the fast-moving consumer goods. In the community, we have established to work with a focus on social impact. We want to raise awareness about climate change and raise awareness of people about plastics. We plan to provide consultancy to direct companies to more eco-friendly methods. And these are what we're doing for now as a step to raise awareness of people in issues like carbon footprint, plastic pollution, and depletion of resources. And we support UNDP's 13th Sustainable Development Goal, climate action, by minimizing carbon emission in plastic production. As we consume waste and do not use agricultural land, we support the 12th targets, responsible production and consumption. Considering the whole process of reducing plastic use, we are protecting life on water and on land, which is the 14th and 15th goals. About our team, Büşra and Mert are our co-founders. Merve works on business development, and Eslem works as the analyst, who is also responsible for team management. And I'm working on the R&D part of the project. We believe that the circular economy will have enormous effects on the way of system change in combating the climate crisis. And PlasticMove is more than a biotechnology startup. It's a climate crisis movement. And we're inviting all of you to join this movement to shape the future of nature together. Thank you for your time.